This is what I use for my lips. Now, there's this product in Canada. This is what I've been using for my lips. Carmex. Okay. Anyway, yeah, there's this product in Canada. It's called Blistex, and I use that like religiously. Okay, why? It's got this like minty feeling. It really does help with repairing my lip, because my lip be chapped all the time, girl, with all this cold and stuff going on. You know, so it's a pretty good product, but I can't find it here in the United States. No, it's usually in the convenience store, but no, they don't have it. They have Carmex. We're going to the store today. I just have to pick up some stuff because I've been feeling for some chili. Listen, the chili that I had last night, oh my gosh, it was so good. That chili was bomb.com. Okay, feel? So I'm like, you know what? Why don't I make chili tonight? You know? Now I already got the kids ready. I'm always last to get ready. So I just warmed up the car. I finally found, girl, when I tell you this mascara smacks. It's really good. You gotta get this. Firework is my new favorite mascara. I mean, it's been around, but the wand, I really like the wand. I don't know what it is. It's just maybe it's more flexible than others. It's not as hard, you know? But I've been using this, and girl, when I tell you my lashes are reaching up to the skies, it works. Anyway, we're just going to the store. We're not doing something. We don't need to look extra, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do our errands today, literally, and I'm gonna pick up my card from Jake because he's got my card. I don't know why he has my card still. Luckily, it's not gray outside. Otherwise, I'm not going out. Okay, that took a little while, but run away, right? No, I was having a fit, so that's fun. And we had to wait for Jake. Anyway, we're on our way now. Oh, I never seen these. That sounds really good. Okay, there she is with her grocery. She's helping me right now. Anyway, I just stocked up my oranges. I just stocked up my lemons because I ran out of lemons. And like I said to you guys before, okay, lemon goes quick in this house. I bought more linguine pastas because I like to stock my pastas up. The other one that I want to go through, I'm trying to get this container filled up with. Smelling really. I don't like running out of linguine because it's one of the things that we like to eat. Like, it's one of the pastas that we like to eat, I think. So I make sure that they're stocked. They would have been $1 each if I got 10. But I'm like, dude, that is just a little bit too much. There it is. Jake got this for himself. The breakfast burrito. I literally can make breakfast burritos, but like, I don't have the time, man. It's like a huge, I don't know, just vacuum sealing and storing it and whatever and whatnot. Now these are discounted off. I specifically got 3 of them because I got 3 of these because I'm making chili. I probably won't use 3 because I do have ground pork also, but we're making chili. That's why I got 3. And right here. Perfect. And I got this for me. And then this is Jake's. Oh yeah, I also have whole wheat, non-whole wheat, a type of pasta and a regular pasta over here. Okay, well, that's the best that I can do for now. On this side, I have a whole heap of shenanigans that I need to go through. Anyway, these are my canned goods. Now, the reason why I had to put it in the cupboard, in the pantry, is because I don't have room. Okay, I got kosher salt, and then olive oil. Let's get to cooking. I'm gonna put some of this stuff downstairs. Get medium. Okay, have cheddar jack. And then my chili is done. And of course I had to try it for quality control. I have my little cup bowl thing going. Cheese, so. Oh my god, you're so cute. Look at it. Okay, I like mine on the little sweeter side, so I like to add a little ketchup, just a tad bit. There we go. Okay. That looks fire. Yes. That hits the spot. So nicely. It's hot, but girl, sometimes you just gotta. Jeremy likes his with rice. Because I used to always do that. Whenever I make chili, I have it with rice. I don't know, and it's more filling. I made it plain this time, with not too much going on because I had chili yesterday and boy, that one was so good. Hence why I made it nice and plain. This is really simple to do. I mean, you can literally like play around with chili because you can add a lot of other things to it. I mean, you can do plain, you can do a whole heap of other different variations, you know. But I like it like this, so chili is one of those things that's really good and filling, and it lasts for days. And of course, I would make chili in this cold weather. Like, there's no to it. It's just a yes.